Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're going to dive into one of the best semi-sweet chocolate chips out there. 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Semi-Sweet Chocolate Chips. If you're a fan of organic ingredients and high-quality chocolate, this product is definitely worth a closer look. These chocolate chips are USDA organic, meaning they're made with ingredients that meet rigorous organic standards, ensuring you're getting the purest, most natural chocolate possible. Each bite is a perfect blend of smoothness and sweetness, making them an excellent choice for baking, snacking, or even just melting down to drizzle over your favorite treats. What sets them apart from other chocolate chips is their commitment to sustainability. The product comes with Fair Trade certification, which ensures that the ingredients are sourced from responsibly managed farms, taking care of the environment as well as the people involved in the production process. But it's not just about the ethical sourcing. These chocolate chips are packed with flavor. The rich taste of the organic cocoa and smooth chocolate liquor delivers a luxurious treat with each bite. Whether you're making cookies, brownies, or a decadent chocolate fondue, these chips are versatile and elevate your baking experience. The 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Semi-Sweet Chocolate Chips come in a convenient 10-ounce bag, offering just the right amount for most recipes. Plus, they're free from hydrogenated oils, artificial colors, and flavors. This means you can enjoy your chocolate with the peace of mind that you're consuming a cleaner, healthier product. In terms of nutrition, these chocolate chips offer a reasonable serving size of 70 calories per tablespoon, with no added preservatives. The ingredients list is simple, with organic chocolate liquor, organic cocoa butter, organic cane sugar, and organic vanilla extract. It's a great option for anyone looking to enjoy chocolate without the unnecessary additives or processed ingredients. Whether you're an avid baker or simply someone who enjoys the occasional chocolatey snack, 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Semi-Sweet Chocolate Chips are a fantastic choice. Their balance of quality, sustainability, and taste make them stand out in a crowded market of chocolate chips. So, if you're looking to take your baking or snacking to the next level, definitely give these organic chocolate chips a try. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.